Alright, so now I'm looking at the roof. Looks like there's a little bit of surface tension right there on the edges. Some water collects and sits here versus just dripping down. I think good news is that looking underneath is pretty much dry up there, but not so much on the edges. That looks like some water is collecting right here at the edge. Of the roof, which, well, not even the edge of the roof, but edge of this thing here. And then what's happening is that maybe water, I mean this part over here is kind of wet too. Looks like water's collecting there and kind of seeping through the back of it.